Think about this. What if your environment could force you to build good habits and block you from bad ones? In Chapter 14 of Atomic Habits, James Clear explains exactly how to design your surroundings so that success becomes automatic. Most people think motivation drives habits, but James Clear argues it's not motivation, it's your environment, the invisible hand guiding your behavior every day. If you want to read more, put a book on your pillow so you have to pick it up before bed. If you want to play guitar, keep it on a stand in your living room, not hidden in the closet. Design your environment so the good habit is always in front of you. Bad habits survive because they're easy. Watching Netflix, one click. Scrolling TikTok, one swipe. To stop them, add friction. Unplug the TV, delete the apps. Put the cookies on the highest shelf. The harder it is, the less likely you'll do it. A commitment device is a choice you lock in today that controls your future behavior. For example, prepaying for a gym class, setting your phone to shut off Wi-Fi at 10 p.m., or scheduling groceries online so you only buy healthy food. Want to drink more water? Keep a bottle at your desk. Want to eat healthier? Pre-cut vegetables and place them in clear containers at eye level in the fridge. These small adjustments remove decision-making and make the good choice the easy choice. Think of someone trying to quit smoking. If they keep hanging out in the same bars and keeping cigarettes at home, it's nearly impossible. But if they avoid smoking areas, spend time with non-smokers, and replace cigarettes with gum, success skyrockets. This is the formula. Make good habits obvious and easy. Make bad habits invisible and hard. When the environment is designed correctly, discipline is no longer necessary, because the path of least resistance leads to success. Let's recap. Number 1, environment shapes habits. Number 2, reduce friction for good habits. Number 3, increase friction for bad habits. Number 4, use commitment devices. Follow these and your habits will transform effortlessly. Now it's your turn. Look around your room right now. What's one small change you can make today to make a good habit inevitable or a bad habit impossible? Share your answer in the comments. And don't forget, hit subscribe for more deep dives into atomic habits.